another bad weather today, so why not talking about computers again? Let's go. Hey everyone, Anthony here and welcome to another video. Today a brand that here in Europe we don't really know well because we will talk about a NEC computer. NEC computer, you don't really see that, especially nowadays in Europe and also North America, South America. It's especially for the Asian market. So we're getting one of these in Europe that I just bought in a particular, it's not someone. It's something extremely cool for me because it's a brand that I didn't have, of course, and having one in my collection could be very, very cool. The generation of this one is from 2007, 2008, maybe 2009, not more. It's not that bad equipped in terms of specification, technical specification. It will probably match my Dell Optiplex 760, which you already see on the previous video on a BoostDis PC. And good news, this one is also a BoostDis PC. Then this NEC computer, because it's on the same era of the Dell Optiplex 760, will be of course something similar. The objective in this situation is to have something similar as my Dell Optiplex. Will it be possible? We will get a check with that. I was expecting when I get it that it will be extremely dusty and never cleaned, but not really. Of course it's not perfect, as you can see, but it's still fine for a computer that it has more than 12, 13 years old, maybe 15 years old, we don't know. So that's, in this case, pretty cool. Of course I will give a clean on this computer, but it will be not something extremely crazy. It's something easy and simple for me, and I want to say almost everyone here could make a clean like this. In terms of modulation, it's cool. We have here the plastic, which is all the hardest drive that I've already broke apart. Perfect. Right? Something cool, isn't it? There is also two hard disk drive. I don't know if this one was added after or if it was stock. Honestly, I don't care because we will change the both drive here. We have a GPU, which is, yeah, I could use the internal graphics card. Not in this case, why not? Firewire card that it connects also the front panel with the SD card and all stuff like this. A DVD drive that you have just seen. We have only 2 gigs of RAM, which is not that lot, even for a machine from 2008 when it got at stock a Core 2 Quad CPU. Yeah, if it was a Core 2 Duo, I could understand that, but not a Core 2 Quad. I don't already have the part for upgrade while I'm turning actually just now. I will get it in a few days, few weeks maybe. When it's ready, I will be there to introduce you the upgraded part for this computer. Then start with the main part that we will be upgraded because there are 2 possible drive bays to install and they are used. I will remove the 2 main hard disk drive to put 1 SSD with the adapter to be sure that everything is perfectly in place, and a 1 TB hard disk drive. So it's even an upgrade compared to my Dell Optiplex 760, which we don't have the space to put 2 drives. So it's only a 1 TB hard disk drive, but it works just fine. Here we will get also an improvement, which is pretty cool. Again, 8 gigs of RAMs, 4 times 2 GB of DDR2. If the PC accepts it, we need to check that. Because if we need a BIOS update, I will get later if it's necessary. It seems to be hard. Okay, the power supply, it's not really an upgrade, it's a replacement. Even if it's working just fine with the original power supply, I don't want to trust it a lot. I don't know why. And I don't open it yet, so taking a new one, low power one, a very not expensive one, it's an LC power, LC420 for 420 watts, which is absolutely fine for the build without any issue. The graphics card. You will maybe notice that there is a missing part, the bracket. That's why I've got the second graphics card here. It's NVIDIA GTX 750 Ti, which is right on the sticker. Okay. It's an OM1 from a Media computer, that's why maybe the size and the shape of it doesn't talk to you. Why I'm getting this graphics card? Having the bracket in this order, HDMI, VGA and DVI, it's hard. I've asked my vendor when I got the power supply if they have one, but unfortunately in this order, no. So unfortunately, I have to take the old GT 9800, yep, the beautiful graphics card at the time, to get the bracket that it's exactly the same, and I can reuse it to use this graphics card. And I hope a day I will get another bracket to reuse it on this beautiful graphics card. Hope a day. With all that said, the parts are introduced. It's time first to clean the computer because it's not especially clean. It's quite dirty inside. Not that dirty as I expected, but you need to get a small clean first before upgrading parts. Let's go. everything rebuilt. I put the switch to position 1. It turns on automatically, which is possible because we removed the CMOS battery. And then CPU fans cool down. Revs up, cool down. Green light. Yeah! Then it worked! So, we have to put back the settings on the BIOS, boot on the SSD, installing Windows, and it's good to go. Hey guys, we are so much time later for me. I have some news that I want to bring it to you. First of all, I am sorry that I cannot just show you tests of video games about the computer because it's simply just down. The computer doesn't turn on anymore. There were a small electrical problem that I need to repair first. I will show you a small picture here to show you the capacitors, which was not in good state anymore. And this is the problem, that the computer doesn't turn on anymore. It's now several months that passed. I've asked for some friends to make the reparation, but they seem very busy because they simply don't do it yet, several months after. So I prefer to conclude the video like this, instead show you the computer repair again, because I have no idea where it will be done. But if you want to have some statistic about video games, that's all I remember, because I've tested but not recording, not making any benchmark of anything. It's simple. You can get a look to my old Dialoptiplex 760, which is more or less the same performance, maybe 5%, a bit more, but very, very, very few more powerful. But on the otherwise it was the same. So I'm sorry for that again, that I cannot show you. Maybe I can inspire me for another later video for the reparation, if it takes the times to and want and accept to record that. If it's the case, I'll show you that and try to make the benchmark of games, but on another video.